Oh, we got some hunters. Gee, oh wow. Okay. 10 guys with rifles. Random in the field. Okay, good morning. That's not something you see every day in Belgium. But okay, I guess it's here. Today, we are going to the Intermot motorcycle fair in Cologne, aka Cologne, aka Germany. We're going to meet up with some of the guys. I'm wondering, we're not going to be a big group, I'm wondering if I'm going to be the only one riding actually on their motorcycle. I'm curious. Even though it is between 5 and 7 degrees Celsius, so really doable, and it's not going to be raining anymore. We've had rain for the whole week, and I'm talking like huge amounts of rain, because otherwise I would be riding all week, but now I didn't have the chance to ride. And as you can see, still like a lot of the fields there are still soaked and submerged for a little bit. So it definitely is not dry yet. But there shouldn't be any rain for today, and it's not freezing, so maybe I'm not the only one. We'll see. Even if I'm the only one, I don't really care. Well, it would be fun, more fun of course, to ride with some of the other guys as well, but to each their own. So we're gonna see all of the new motorcycles for 2025. I'm not gonna make it a huge video. I'm just gonna try and get like the most interesting ones. Of course, that's a little bit subjective because everybody has their own style in terms of motorcycles. But I'm guessing probably that most of the people that are watching me, that they are into sports bikes. So that's gonna be, of course, the most of the part for the video. I'm gonna go around all the new bikes, gonna give my mind a little bit about them, how I feel about them, and yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it today. As you guys can maybe already see, there's a little bit of a difference. We got the Buick windscreen, and it looks so good. It looks so good. I'm just curious to see how it will feel on the highway with like a little bit less wind, but I'm guessing it will be even better. Didn't have a lot of trouble with it before on this bike, but it can always improve. And it looks so much better, man. It just looks so much better. And I don't know why. Stay there, please. Stay there, thank you. And I don't know why, but it feels so much better. I know it's weird, right? Like, it's just a windscreen. It's not gonna help you in any shape or form in terms of handling. Of course not. But still, you know, that fuzzy feeling inside when something just feels right. That pure placebo. Now, I am really early, but since the weather is pretty good, I don't mind, and I will be able to show you guys a little bit around the bike before we actually head out, before there are some guys. Yeah. I already put in some gas, so I didn't need to go to the gas station anymore. Here we are. Oh yeah! Oh yes! It feels so good to be on the bike again. Like, even though it's only been a small week with not riding, if you ride every day or almost every day like me, like almost a week is so long to get through. I almost need to put it on the next service. So the next service is at 6,000 kilometers. So I got it in begin November. Now we are almost mid-December and I got almost 6,000 kilometers on it. In terms of miles, I will put it on screen, but yeah, I've done some riding. Well, that's what it's all about. I'll see you guys at the stop. So, sit rep. When I arrived, everybody was pretty much there. So we just got it going. But as you guys can see, we have not really dry roads. So when you're on the highway, it gets a little bit splashy. But there shouldn't be any rain. We'll see. We'll see if there will be any rain. Seeing that I can see some clouds up ahead, which do not give me the confidence that it will be true what I am saying. Yeah, we will see. We will see. But by now, I'm not the only rider, so that's the most important part. So we got a buddy of mine and a buddy behind me. One on the in front of me that's on his Versus 1000, and then behind me it's our guy on the Harley. We'll see if we get rain or not. I hope we don't get rain. Okay, up until now it's good riding. You just have a little bit of splashes, but I really like the windscreen, how it's performing. I have a lot less wind when on the highway. I'm actually doing a little bit higher speeds. So it's doing its job. It's working really good. Oh yeah, if the ride goes, for the rest it goes pretty okay, like it's going right now. I'm just gonna get you guys when we arrive there. And yeah, if we get some really crazy weather, I'll get you guys back in. See you in a bit. And so the day comes to an end. It was, well, we expected a little bit more from the whole motorcycle fair, to be quite honest. There were, of course, all of the major brands were there, but all in all, not a lot of bikes that we could see. Sure, you get your base models, but there were so many people around that you never really got to see them, properly, and that you could take your time. Like, there were always like 10-15 people around one bike, and that's just not fun, man. And there were just a lot of clothing lines, but nothing really special. So yeah, last year we went to the one in Utrecht, and we all think the same, that one is like 3 times better. Way more motorcycles, way more high-end stuff, except for the carbon fiber, like the IC carbon fiber. That stand, that was amazing. Like, all of those carbon pieces on top of the premium bikes, that was so cool. And yeah, that was the main event for us. That was the main event for us. And yeah, all the other bikes, like especially the Ducati stand. Like, of course, Ducati is fun, and Ducati is a cool brand. But there were so many people around there. You couldn't even see the new V4, practically. You couldn't even see it properly. Like, I had to really shuffle in there with the camera just to get a little bit of a look at it. So that's really a shame. And yeah, well, the ride itself, on the way back, it has been superb. It was really good, really fun. And yeah, the new headpiece, the new windshield, it works so damn nice. It looks 3 times better, gives it a little bit more depth. And just because it's black, it's, of course, you know that it looks super good. And I practically had zero wind today. It makes a huge difference. I didn't think it would make that much of a difference, but it does. And it looks really good. I'm so happy with it. So yeah, that has been the day. Short video, probably, really short one. But yeah, overall it was still a fun trip. But we expected a little bit more of it. If you guys enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, you know the deal. This was the Two-Wheeling Belgian, and we are out. See you in the next one. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Sheesh.